In the realm of electronic music production, the timbral complexity and versatility of frequency modulation synthesis have always stood out. DSFM, a digital instrument within Ableton Live, harnesses this sonic power, drawing inspiration from a classic Japanese FM synthesizer. It's an artist's tool for sculpting an array of percussive sounds that range from static bursts to metallic lasers, transcending the conventional boundaries of drum sounds. DSFM uses frequency modulation, where the frequency of one waveform, the carrier, is altered based on another waveform, the modulator. This interaction creates rich harmonic content, a hallmark of FM synthesis. DSFM, with its intuitive interface, invites both seasoned synthesists and newcomers to explore the depths of FM sound design. The tone slider is your gateway to the sonic spectrum of DSFM. It acts as a low pass filter, crucial in sculpting the frequency content of your drum sound. Higher settings on this slider let more high frequency content through, bringing a brighter, more pronounced edge to your sounds, ideal for crafting crisp, attention grabbing percussion. The feedback parameter adjusts the amount of feedback within the FM algorithm. Higher feedback values infuse the sound with more noise and complexity, pushing the boundaries of your drum sound into noisier, more experimental territories. The FM amount controls the intensity of the FM modulation applied to the carrier signal. Subtle amounts can add a gentle harmonic complexity, while pushing it higher can radically transform the sound. The modulation blend slider allows you to morph between different modulation types, offering a palette of textural options at your fingertips. Pitch is a powerful feature, enabling you to tune your FM drum sound to sit perfectly within your track, whether you need a deep booming kick or a high pitched percussive tick. The decay knob determines the length of your drum sound. From tight, snappy hits to longer, resonant tones, this parameter is key in defining the temporal character of your sound. The volume control is straightforward yet essential. It ensures that your FM drum sound maintains its desired presence within the overall mix, be it subtle or dominant. DSFM is not just another drum synth, it's a testament to the power of FM synthesis in crafting futuristic and unique percussive sounds. Its user friendly design within Ableton Live makes it accessible for producers of all skill levels, encouraging experimentation and innovation in beat making. Whether you're crafting the next electronic hit or scoring for a sci fi epic, DSFM provides a rich sonic palette that can bring your rhythmic visions to life.